Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron, and in this video I will be guiding you through how to use the Alcoholics Anonymous Step 1 worksheet. Firstly, what is Alcoholics Anonymous? Alcoholics Anonymous is a global community-based program to support those struggling with problematic drinking. The self-help group, founded in 1935, utilizes a well-structured 12-step approach to encourage members to admit their powerlessness over alcohol and make amends for past mistakes. The heart of AA's effectiveness lies in its peer group support system, where members share their experiences and progress, fostering a sense of camaraderie and mutual understanding. In this video, we will be going over the first step. The first step in AA states that we admitted we were powerless over alcohol, that our lives have become unmanageable. AA Step 1 is a crucial starting point in the journey towards sobriety. This stage involves acknowledging the power that alcohol has over one's life and accepting that attempts to control it have been futile. An AA Step 1 worksheet is valuable for individuals wanting to take the first step in their recovery journey. To use our free AA Step 1 worksheet, follow these steps. Download our AA Step 1 worksheet from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. Explain what the AA Step 1 worksheet is and how it works. Then encourage your clients to complete the worksheet honestly and completely. Let them know that this is a work in progress. Completing the worksheet includes answering questions like: describe your relationship with alcohol. How has it affected your life physically, mentally, emotionally, and socially? Reflect on your behavior and attitudes while under the influence of alcohol. How does it compare to your behavior and attitudes when sober? Encourage your client to take action. Once completed, encourage your client to take action on their worksheet. This could include contacting a sponsor or recovery group, seeking professional treatment, and taking other steps necessary for recovery. Follow up regularly with your client to check in on their progress and see how the worksheet is helping them. Offer support and encouragement when necessary to keep your client on track with their recovery goals. Here's a sample of our AA Step 1 worksheet, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our AA Step 1 worksheet, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a range of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet.
Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.